Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lansendorf at Ink with Dink, and today I wanted to show you how to make this super cute Christmas card. I don't know about you, but I love snowmen, and any way I can throw snowmen onto a card makes it that much better. And this was just kind of a fun way to do that and to bring the snowman in. So are you ready to get started? Well, let's do this. So to start off, you're going to need a piece of real red cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. You're simply going to fold it in half. Be sure you use a bone folder so that your crease is nice and crisp. Okay? Our next layer is a piece of Call Me Clover, and this one measures 5.25 by 4, and I have run it through the Big Shot with the brick and mortar embossing folder. I love this embossing folder, although it can be a very rustic thing. It just is super cute on all kinds of cards that you put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Tombow glue. I'm just going to put it around the edges and stick that on the front of my card. Now, I know I say this a lot, but I love the Tombow glue because it gives me time to reposition if things aren't on perfectly straight the first time. Now, for our little coffee cups, we're going to be using the bundle that is the Cup of Christmas stamp set, and also the, turn it this way, Cup of Cheer dies. Okay, and they're super cute, and the fun thing about this stamp set is it's a reversible stamp set. So the images of the cups you can use either way. Okay, there's not a top and a bottom, it goes either way. So because they do that, they also have to make the dies that coordinate with it also going both ways. So that's just a little bonus that we get in our dies, is that they cut out both ways. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our cup dies, and we're going to cut out 2 cups using Whisper White cardstock, just like that, okay? Now the one on the left over here we're going to stamp, and I like the stamp in this set that says Sweet Christmas Wishes. So we're just going to ink it up in real red ink. Just a little bit of room to work here. And we're just going to center it and stamp it just like that, okay? Now, before we put it on our card, we need to make our little candy canes, okay? So in the dies, there is also 2 candy cane pieces. Now there is one that is the solid candy cane, and there's one that makes the stripes. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out 2 of the solid in real red and 2 of the one that makes the stripes on it in Whisper White. Okay, and then when you layer these together, they're super cute and make the red and white candy canes. So let's go ahead and adhere these together. And again, I'm just going to use my liquid multi-purpose glue, and I am just going to put a little bit of glue on every other mark here. And I have found that that is plenty for it to stick together like I need it to. And again, I like the Tombow because it gives me a minute to pick my stuff up and reposition so that I get it lined up just right on there. Okay, now I'm ready to do the other one. Again, I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive in every other little spot here. And we'll put it together just like that. Okay, now we're ready to put them in the cups. So I'm going to put one of them right side up in the cup just like that. And I'm going to put the other one in the cup upside down so it looks like one of those peppermint sticks. Okay, just like that. Now this one is actually ready to be adhered. So again, I'm just going to put my liquid adhesive around like that, and I'm going to stick him on just like that. Now for my one that looks like a snowman, I'm going to use this snowman embellishment kit, okay? And it is such a fun kit. And you open it up and it comes with all these, I don't know, what do you call those? Enamel pieces, okay? It also comes with some glittery washi tape. And it comes with 4 sheets of felt that is mittens, scarves, and hats for the snowmen. And it also comes with this little package of snowballs. Now these would be super cute in a shaker card, or I've also seen them just glued around on the card to be snowballs. So super, super cute kit. And we are going to use the sticker pieces or the enamel pieces. And I'm going to do it a little bit differently than it calls for, because it has, for every snowman, it has 2 little ones for the eyes and 3 bigger ones for buttons, I guess you could do. But I am actually going to use the bigger ones for the eyes on my snowmen. So I'm going to do it just like that. And then they've got these super cute little noses. And I'm going to put one of those on just like that. Okay. Now, I wanted my little guy to be holding a heart. So I just punched out a heart, okay, out of Call Me Clover. And now I am going to use 2 of the little snowman stick arms. And I'm just going to put one across like that, so that it looks like it is a hand holding on to the heart. And then I'm going to put another one going the other way, so it looks like the other hand. Isn't that cute? And then I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of my heart, and I'm just going to stick it right like there, so it looks like the snowman is holding the heart. So super cute. Now let's go ahead and put some adhesive on the back of this cup. Put it just like that. Okay, and there you go. That is how super simple it is to make a cute little snowman card using the enamel pieces and using cute little cups. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Please share this with your friends. Don't keep me a secret. This is my business, and I'd love to reach out to lots and lots of people. So if you could share this, I would appreciate it. If you need to purchase any of the stamp sets or dies, or even the little snowman kit that I showed today, be sure and use this as your November host code with me. I do send out gifts for everyone who places online orders with me, and to just let you know that I truly appreciate it. So thanks for watching.